Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to transfer money from Trading 212 to Wise. So let's get started. First things first, before anything else, you want to make sure that your Trading 212 account is fully verified. If not, you cannot withdraw nor deposit funds on your account. As you can see, mine is still not fully verified. So if I manage, when I choose manage funds, as you can see, I have no option to add nor withdraw funds here. It wants me to fully verify my account first. All right, so there's that. But once it's fully verified, here's how it looks like. Now, to begin, you must add first the bank account linked to your Wise. You want to tap the three-line icon at the bottom right corner, then select deposit funds. On the next page, you want to select add a new bank account or new card. Then just simply enter your bank account or card details. And to easily find your card details or IBAN on Wise, all you need to do is first log into your Wise account. Then from the home page, you want to click on payments. From here, you want to scroll down under account details. You'll find your card details as well as your IBAN or your SWIFT. Now, going back to Trading 212, go ahead and check the details and hit confirm. After that, you're now ready to withdraw funds from your Trading 212 account, and here's how to do it. Now, back on the home screen, you want to tap on the account menu again, the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you want to click on Manage Funds. On the next page, you want to click on Withdraw Funds, and then simply confirm your email and password when prompted. Then you want to select the payment method and type in the amount you'd like to withdraw. Check the details carefully and confirm. That's it. Now you know how to transfer money from Trading 212 to Wise in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.